Hey y'all, so in today's video I am going to do a review plus a giveaway on the July 2018 Keto Crate. So let's go ahead and get into the video. First off, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking the video, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel because I am on a weight loss journey and I am on the keto diet, plus I'm a pescatarian as well, and I've lost a little over 30-some pounds, and I'm planning on losing like maybe 40 more pounds on this diet. So yeah, follow me as I'm on this journey to losing weight and getting sexy AF. So y'all, if you don't know anything about Keto Crate, it is a monthly subscription box where it has like 8 or more keto-friendly snacks. Plus it has like $20+ in like coupon savings. It's just a wonderful thing to me because, you know, you get to find out about all these keto-friendly companies. Like, it's like freaking amazing. It's like a good amount of them now. Like, I'm loving it. Ooh. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Every item that's mentioned throughout this video is going to be linked down below. Plus, I also do have an Amazon favorites where I have different keto and low carb products that I love. Plus, there's like some keto shirts that I just recently got into that I'm literally obsessed with. One of the first things you see when you open the Keto Crate is going to be this nice size package of meringues. So it says for one serving, it is 30 calories. Oh, okay. And it is 0 grams of fat, 12 grams of carbs, 1 gram of protein. So apparently this is sugar-free and gluten-free and it's fat-free. So this container is $7.99, and I am going to be giving this product away. I'm so jealous right now because I really want to try these. This is also from the company Crunchy Melts. Okay, you guys, so up next is new birthday cake cookie. I've never been able to pronounce this name, y'all, but I've been seeing them like on Instagram and all this stuff, and I've been really wanting to try their product. I'm so happy they're at this month's Keto Crate. So this is the flavor birthday cake, and it is apparently $3.99, and this is actually the featured product for this month. So it says for this, it is gluten-free, no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, no GMOs, low glycemic, and it's ketogenic, of course. So there's 2 cookies in here apparently. Okay. 25 grams of fat, 18 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, 1 gram of sugar, and 13 grams of erythritol, and 6 grams of protein. So yeah, y'all. I am going to be trying this product because I've been wanting this so long. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Had 2 cookies come out. I just completely messed up the bag. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like. So, I feel like the birthday cake flavor is like right there. It's good. I'm not gonna say it's not good. It's definitely good. I just wish more of the birthday cake flavor was like stronger. I'm really honestly interested in tasting their other products. Like I said, the birthday cake flavor isn't like nasty or nothing. I just wish it was like a little bit stronger, honestly. So let's go ahead and move to the next product. But I feel like I'm gonna be eating some more of this cookie left though. Yeah. All right, you guys, so up next is the I Love Snacking Air Cheese. It's 100% cheese. Its flavor is cheddar cheese, and it's crunchy cheddar cheese bites. So it says for one serving, this is 7 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of protein. I am definitely going to be giving this product away, you all. It is gluten-free, just to let y'all know. But I'm not able to eat this product, and so, yeah. It's going to go home to the lucky winner for this month. Oh, and just to let y'all know, the Air Cheese product, it is apparently $1.99. Up next, I am having the Keto What. It is The peanut butter flavor. It is vegan, keto, paleo, and natural. And y'all, they are claiming to taste just like candy bars, but are made using keto-friendly ingredients that help you to stay in a nutritional ketosis when your sweet tooth strikes. So, you know your girl's gonna try this, right? It is apparently $3. I'm very interested in tasting this. I just hope it doesn't taste like, ugh. Oh my gosh. I would hate it if it tastes, ugh. Oh yes, the fat is there, y'all. Oh, let me tell y'all. So it's 14 grams of fat, 17 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fiber, wow. 2 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of protein. Wow, okay. Y'all, this is literally, oh my gosh, look at all that oil. Look at that. Oh yeah. It literally does, like, kind of taste like a candy bar. I feel like I would love it if it was in chocolate. Like, if I got the chocolate flavor, I feel like I would go crazy for it. Yeah. Yo, I really want the chocolate flavor now. Keto Watts. Send me the chocolate flavor if y'all got it. That's me trying to wink. All right, you guys. So up next is beef jerky. You can always count on like some type of meat or something like that to be in your keto crate. This is, it says, I can't believe it's not hamburger jerky. That's kind of cute. So it says, this is 110 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, 4 grams of sugar, and 13 grams of protein. I am definitely going to be giving this product away. It does say that this pouch is $11.99. Just quickly reading the back of this, it says that this is supposed to taste like your favorite hamburger. So yeah, it says that they lather blasts of ketchup, mustard, pickles to create the finest portable, I can't believe it's not hamburger jerky. Since I am a pescatarian, I'm definitely going to be giving this product away. You're welcome. All right, you guys, so up next is the Jalapeno Ranch from Paleo Ranch Company. This is apparently all natural beef, and it's 100% grass-fed. Just let y'all look at the product. That for the whole package, it is 40 calories, 0.5 grams of fat, 1 gram of carb, less than 1 gram of sugar, and 7 grams of protein. I'm definitely going to be giving this product away. Just to let y'all know, this is, oh, it's like a thick piece of meat. That didn't sound right, but it's a thick piece of meat, y'all. Oh, and let me tell y'all the price. For this garlic jalapeno kippered beef from Paleo Ranch, it is $2.49. All right, you guys, so up next is the Nick Sticks. This is the original flavor. This grass-fed beef, snack sticks, gluten-free. Just let y'all know. This is 120 calories, 0 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat, 10 grams of protein. I'm definitely going to be giving this product away. They do have a good amount of meat this month. Just let y'all know. So if you're looking to try out different meat products, I think this would be a great opportunity right now. All right, you guys. So up next is the Ultima Pack. This is the sample pack. And this is apparently 90 cents. It is vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, paleo-friendly, and keto-friendly. I'm going to read real quick what it says on the brochure. It says that whether you're running a marathon or late for work, Ultima Replenisher is convenient, complete hydration support without the sugar so you can sweat, smile, replenish, and repeat. So you guys, up next, it's like a small little sample pack. It is the Nutivia coconut oil. It's the buttery flavor, and it is vegan, y'all. So they have vegan butter in here. I'm going to be giving this product away. It's taking all of me to give this away because I really want to try this though, y'all, because I've never had vegan butter. It says 1 pack, it is 45 calories, 5 grams of fat, 0 grams of carbs, and 0 grams of protein. Oh, I really want to try this though. You know, I'm gonna buy this product. I think I'm gonna buy this product for myself, definitely. Next is the Fat Fit Go. I actually like that name, y'all. The flavor is Tropical Margarita. This is keto, paleo, vegan, and it's grain-free. So it says that for 1 pack, it is 246 calories, 24 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein. This would be great for me to use like right before my workout, I do believe. And that's what I really want to do. So y'all, this product is $3. I really want to try it like right before I go to the gym because it's supposed to be great for like your body and your brain. And so I really want to try it. And in my future videos, make sure you check it out and I'll let y'all know what I think about this product. All right, you guys. So up next, it is the Keto Mana. It is keto, of course, 100% plant-based, brain food, it says, and 12 grams of MCTs per serving. Apparently this is 224 calories, 22 grams of fat, yes. 8 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fiber, 1 gram of sugar, and 3 grams of protein. I'm really interested in trying this right now, and you know, that's what I'm about to do. So you're supposed to tear off a corner, that's what I did. Like immediately, like not even joking y'all, I smelled the chocolate. I'm about to try it now. Hopefully it don't squirt out on me. Get a little bit of it. Yes. Oh, I've never heard of this company before. Yes, I'm definitely in favor of this, especially when you're craving chocolate. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is delicious. Oh, and just to let y'all know, it is $2.45. All right, you guys, so now for the fun part. What you have to do to be the July 2018 Keto Friendly Snacks winner from this month's Keto Crate. Okay, numero uno. You need to, first of all, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Duh. All right, so the second thing you need to do is, if you haven't already, make sure you click that like button. The third thing you need to do is comment down below and tell me why you, yes you, why did you start doing the keto, low carb, or whatever diet you're following? I know for me personally, I was just tired of the way I was feeling. I felt lazy, I felt drowsy, and plus, on top of that, I had too much weight carrying around. I mean, I still got a little bit of extra weight I'm trying to get off, but it's a whole lot better than what it was before. So the fourth thing, did I really just say that? The fourth thing, with the TH, thing you need to do is make sure you are following me on Instagram at UniqueFit17. I'm gonna put the name right here for y'all. It's gonna be right here. So if you do those 4 things, I would definitely help you to become this month's Keto Friendly Snacks winner. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video. Love you so much. Oh my gosh, y'all, that was a horrible heart. I really tried just then. But yeah, love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you have clicked that subscribe button and plus the notification bell as well. Well, y'all, love you. And remember that if no one tells you they love you, I love you. So stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.